Hi, I'm Kim Cash, and I'm coming to you from Portland, Oregon to share a couple Halloween projects that I'm working on right now. And I don't know how soon you guys start getting ready for the holidays, but I start early, and I've already started on Halloween. And I like to decorate outside, all over the whole yard and inside. So I wanted to share a couple of these projects I'm working on. One is a dollar store frame that I got at the dollar store, and I aged it by painting it black and adding some gold and then dabbing it, and I'll show you how I did it. And then the other one is a blank frame. I got just a wooden frame, and I sketched some things on it, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So I bought this sign at Joann Fabrics. It was $24.99, and it was on sale, I think, for 70% off, so maybe 80% off. I think I got it for around $8. And now I'm going to paint it for Halloween, but I wanted to embellish it a little bit, so I sketched I just drew, I don't know if you can see it, a witch's hat up on the top. Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see. So I drew a witch's hat up at the top, and let's see if we can bring it in better. Just the outline of the witch's hat up at the top. And then down the side, I have a broomstick that I'm going to paint on there. And I was thinking of doing like orange for the word welcome, and white as the background, and then maybe black for the hat, and maybe I'll add some little bats or some spiders or something. But if you're interested, just keep watching, and we'll see how this turns out. I got these frames at the Dollar Tree, and I've got a little sponge here and some black paint and gold paint. And what I did is I took the frames out of their forms, and I've got, well, the sun isn't letting me show you, but I've got 6 of them here. And I'm going to paint those and age them to make them look just a little more fancy for a Halloween decoration. So I'm going to spray it first with some black and then some gold and just dab at it, and I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, so this is how the frames came out. They've just gotten a little touch of fancy to them, and they're aged so that maybe they look a little Halloween-y. So first what I did is I just spray painted on some black, and then I overlaid it with some gold, and then I just kind of dabbed at it with a piece of paper that was wadded up in a ball. So I think that's going to be a fun little Halloween decoration. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching it.